Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. If it's your first time, thank you for stopping by. I do lots of lawn care stuff in my yard. I got fescue, bluegrass, and Bermuda grass in 3 different locations. Do all kind of how-to stuff there. And I also do a lot of equipment style lawn care business videos, and that's kind of what we're doing here. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with what I got going on. And this is kind of a unique job. I got a call from a guy, said, hey, I bought a 18-hole golf course. It's been abandoned for I think 2 years now, and it's pretty growed up. Now, he has come in and already mowed out all the fairways and got them back down to manageable cutting heights, but there's still a few areas on sloped areas and down in the bottoms and things like that that his particular mower he has just won't cut it. It requires more of a bush hog. So I come out here yesterday around 4:30 and mowed till about 6:30, so I got about 2 hours worth of cutting in, got quite a bit done. Probably got about 4 hours worth of bush hogging left, and called my brother. I called him so he'd come out here and help me so we could take it 4 hours and cut it down to 2 hours. He had a Kubota tractor for a while, and me and him got to talking, and he figured out, hey, he can make a whole lot more money with a Ventrac than he can the Kubota. With some things he does on the side, so he sold his Kubota and bought a Ventrac. And yes, my highway patrol brother, the one that has the triplets, and an update on the triplets, they are doing absolutely fantastic. We give God the honor and glory and praise for that, and just so incredibly thankful and blessed, not with just one baby, but 3 healthy kids that are gonna get to grow up and ride that Ventrac with their dad, gonna get to go shoot guns with their dad, gonna get to hang out in the woods with their dad, and hopefully their uncle, hopefully uncle gets to be in some of that. But man, it's just so, it is so humbling and so amazing that God chose our family to have triplets. I mean, it's just one of them weird things that happens in life, and we're just very thankful for it. So update on the triplets, they're doing absolutely fantastic. So Micah just sent me a text, and he's headed down the hill over here. So let's get over here, get the camera set up, and start mowing. Some of this stuff is really deep. It's over top of the cab of the Ventrac, so this ought to be fun.
bushhogging too with all his heels and stuff.
Yeah, I know. Hills and hollows and going up and down holes and all that kind of thing.
And just riding around a flat piece of property.
Yeah.
It's almost fun.
You need to get your fan working.
Yeah.
It actually helps a little bit, but you have to kind of tilt your head back just a little bit so the air blows right here. I think I'm gonna look online and see if I can't find some more fans to line the top of the canopy with, like some smaller ones that blow from behind you and blow out. Because that fan does a good job, but it don't do a great job.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It can't blow but so hard.
Yeah, because you ain't got so much to pull from.
Yeah, I know.
Coming over top of that.
I think if you make some fans, it'd just be for bush hogging. Something you can quick attach and clip on and hook it to the battery right quick, and that way it'll blow away from you.
Yeah, all you need is a little connection in like that you just hook and unhook.
Yeah, that's all you need. Hook and unhook and it'd be done. So, Ventrac, there's another project. Make you a surrounding fan to blow the dust off because it's dry.
If I could suggest too, a dedicated grapple bucket.
A dedicated grapple bucket.
Not
You mean like a bucket? Oh, like where it's
open
open on the bottom.
It's kind of a skeleton-like frame, like you see on tractors and skid steers.
Suggestion. Oh my gosh, and then even in the thing. Suggestion, Ventrac. Michael wants a dedicated grapple bucket, like with a skeleton type frame that clamps. I know you got the grapple that hooks to the bucket now, but you talking about dedicated just for picking up sticks and brush.
For a little bit of brush pile and stuff, because this works good, but having open sides where you can get a bigger bite and carry a little more material.
There you go. Get to work, Aaron. So hey, that's another one in the books. I got to get back to the office. Just got a phone call I got to go do. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later. And hey, I give them an update on the triplets. So everything's good, right?
Everybody's good.
Yeah, everybody's good.
Roan's got a little surgery on a hernia, but it's supposed to be fairly routine, pretty common.
Roan has a hernia surgery coming up pretty soon. So obviously we'll be praying about that. But other than that, everybody's eating, pooping, crying. A lot of crying, right?
One of them was up all night last night.
One of them was up all night last night. For y'all that got kids, 3's a charm, baby.